In this video, we are going to discuss and demonstrate the following topics. First, we will provide a general overview of what Canvas is and why we're using it this year. Second, we will show you some sample courses using Virtual Virginia instructional content. Third, we will demonstrate how to retrieve a pairing code so that you can be added as an observer to your child or children's courses. Fourth, we will demonstrate the process of creating a parent account using a computer or a mobile device. We will also explore some of the key features in the parent account. And finally, throughout the presentation, we will answer some of the parent questions that we received. There are 3 separate color-coded Canvas mobile applications available to download for Apple and Android devices. We will be demonstrating the Canvas Parent app, which is the blue one, for most of this presentation. The Canvas Student app uses a red logo, while the Canvas Teacher app uses a yellow logo. Please make sure you are using the correct app because each one is tailored to provide a specific experience for the user. You may want to pause and take a moment to download the app or apps you and your student will need. This year, the Virginia Department of Education, through Virtual Virginia, has made K-12 instructional content available to all districts, teachers, and students around the Commonwealth. Canvas is the system that Virtual Virginia uses to provide their instruction. This is why BCPS teachers and students are using Canvas this year. Let's take a moment to look at 2 examples of what the Virtual Virginia content looks like from the student's perspective at the elementary and secondary levels. This is an example of a World History 1 course taught at the high school level. Students click on the course tile to access this information. Each time they enter a course, students will see a home page. Courses are divided into learning units or topics called modules. Modules are made up of informational pages, assignments, quizzes, discussion boards, and links to external resources. By clicking on an item within a module, students access the variety of content resources available to them. In addition to the materials provided by Virtual Virginia, teachers have the ability to supplement with resources they have created. This is an example 4th grade course at the elementary level. You'll note that the function and design of the homepage is very different and is tailored to our younger students. This is a great reminder that homepages are a unique reflection of each teacher and group of students. This homepage uses linked buttons to help students visually navigate the learning environment. You will also notice an immersive reader feature in the upper right corner. This allows students to have the content on that page read aloud to them. Please note that each Canvas course is unique. One of the questions we received during our virtual meeting was, what is the difference between a pairing code and a QR code? Think of the pairing code like a password. It's used to link a specific student to an observer account. The QR code allows an observer who has already created an account on a computer to quickly log in to the mobile app without having to search for a school and type in their login information. Pairing codes expire after 10 days if they have not yet been used. 1 code is used per observer. The code is 6 digits, alphanumeric, and that is case sensitive like a password. Once a code has been used, it cannot be used again. Here are the step-by-step instructions for generating a pairing code on a computer, laptop, or Chromebook. The resources on the right side of the screen are hyperlinked for your convenience. Simply click on an image or the text to access additional help resources. Please keep in mind that the pairing code is generated from the student account. So to get this code, you or your student will open up Google Chrome and navigate to www.google.com. Click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Enter the Student 1770 account email address and click Next. Enter the Student 1770 account password and click Next. Once signed in, you will see your student's profile image or initial in the upper right corner. Click on the waffle icon to open the Google Apps menu. Scroll to the bottom of the menu and click on the Canvas logo. Botetourt County has set this system up so that students do not have to memorize an additional username and password. Canvas simply uses their 1770 account credentials to automatically log them in. Once in the Canvas system, click on the account link in the upper left corner. Select Settings in the menu that opens. Click on the Pair with Observer button on the right side of the screen. A window will appear with a 6-digit alphanumeric pairing code. Please keep in mind that this code is case sensitive, like a password, so you may want to use the copy and paste feature on your computer. Another parent question during our meeting was, I have several children in Botetourt County schools. Do I need different codes for each of them? This is a great question. A pairing code is specific to one student and can only be used once by an observer. So you will need to generate a pairing code from each child's Canvas account in order to link them to your observer account. Once used, the code is no longer valid. We will demonstrate how to add multiple students to your account later in the presentation. Now that you have a pairing code, we will demonstrate how to create a parent or observer account on a computer. Again, here are the step-by-step instructions with linked resources on the right. To access the Canvas Parent Login screen, you can either open Google Chrome and type in the following web address, or you can click on the Canvas Parent Login link under the Parents tab on the main BCPS website. Once you are at the login page, click on the link titled Parent of a Canvas User. Click here for an account. Fill in each of the form fields and click Start Participating. You will be redirected to the Canvas Parent Dashboard. You will be prompted when you first log in to set notification preferences. You can do this at any time by clicking on the account link in the upper left. At the bottom of each course tile, you will see the name of your child who is associated with that course. Another parent question we received is, how do I add multiple children to my account? Now that you are in your Observer account, this is very simple. Before you begin, please make sure that you have the unique pairing code for each child you wish to add to your Observer account. Once you have these codes, start by clicking on the account link in the upper left corner. In the menu that opens, select Observing. Enter a pairing code in the field at the top and click on the blue Add Student button. Repeat this process for each child and each unique pairing code that you have. Your newly added children and their courses will appear in the dashboard screen of your Canvas Parent account. Another method for creating a parent or observer account is by using the Canvas Parent mobile app. If you haven't done so already, pause this video and take a moment to download the app to your device. Again, here are the step-by-step instructions for this process with hyperlinked resources on the right-hand side. Once you've downloaded it to your device, open the Canvas Parent app, the one with the blue icon. Tap on Find School. Then tap on the box and start typing Botetourt. Once you type B-O-T-E, Botetourt County Public Schools should be the only listed option. Tap on it. A sign-in screen will appear. Tap on Create Account at the bottom. Similar to the computer process, fill in the form fields and then tap the blue Start Participating button at the bottom. You will be automatically logged in and redirected to the mobile dashboard view where your child or children's courses will be listed. Whether you are on an Apple or Android device, the Canvas Parent app experience is very similar. When you first open the app, you will see a list of all the courses for the child whose initial or logo is showing on the upper middle part of the screen. Tap on the drop-down arrow next to your child's name to switch between the children you observe or to add a new child. When you click on Add Student, you will be prompted to enter a pairing code. When you select a course from the list, you will see the assignments, assessments, or other items that have a specific due date. You can enable a notification for these items by tapping on the switch and allowing notifications. This means you and your child or children will never miss an important due date. You can see a course homepage by tapping on the Homepage menu tab in the upper right corner. Clicking on the calendar icon in the lower middle part of the screen will display a calendar with blips indicating assignment due dates. We understand that Canvas is a brand new platform and everybody is trying to learn it as fast as possible. When you are in the Canvas Parent app on your computer, look to the left-hand side of your screen. This is called the Global Navigation Bar, and the very bottom option is Help. You'll notice that we have added some resources specifically for our students in the elementary levels. Another great resource for both observers and students are the Canvas guides. When you click on this, it will take you to the Canvas website where you can find support documents. If you click on the Canvas option here, you'll notice that they have specific guides for observers or parents, or for students. Let's say that your student is having difficulty submitting a text entry assignment, and it's after hours and you cannot reach their teacher. You and your student can click on the student guide, click on the assignments link, and then look for the various guides that answer questions about assignments. This one here discusses how to submit a text entry assignment. The Canvas guides provide screenshot images and a step-by-step process to answer your questions. We encourage you to reach out to your children's teachers if you have any questions about assignments or specific things related to a Canvas course. Thank you for participating in this presentation and for your continued support and patience as we all transition to using the Canvas Learning Management resource.